Self-destruct sequence activated.
Distance learning can be a struggle. That's why I created this tutorial for our timid technology teachers. Let's not forget that the students that we're trying to teach can also teach us about technology. Our first step is to download the app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, whatever you have, search for VideoShop and download that app. Another app I really strongly suggest is the GIF keyboard app right here. It is important to have some funny little clips and great transitions in my videos to keep my viewers engaged. So that is one of the tools I use a lot. You just click on it and you can save it, and then later we will import it into our video. If someone has sent you a GIF that you want to use, all you need to do is find it, click and hold, and then save it, so you can import that one as well. Our next step is to import our media. So here are some videos already made. Those are there for me. Up at the top, you'll press the plus sign, and you can either go ahead and record something in this, or you can import the clip. I usually import what I have and put them all together. So select what you want to import. You can always add more later, and press done. Now let's look at the trim tool. Click on trim. Now you'll see it says trim or cut or split. When you're trimming, you literally are just taking some off, either the front or the end, just like that. When you cut, you can cut a section out by dragging these yellow bars. You'll see the cursor is playing, and it will show you what the video is like when you cut that part out. And then you can split it. So if I wanted to make this a whole separate piece, I would set the cursor where I want it to split and split it, and then it will be two different clips here at the bottom. Speeding up and slowing down. This clip, I want to speed most of it up, and then I'm going to do a slow motion on the part where she actually catches it. So we're going to go to speed, and then I'm going to select the part that I want to go faster. So this whole part, I want to go quicker. So now I have it where it goes quicker, but I also want to do the ending in slow motion, so I'm going to click speed again, and then I'm going to select the part that I want to move slower. So I'm going to drag my bar down a little and watch it. Okay, that's too slow. I'm going to show you how to do the sound. First thing you need to do is click on the speaker on the clip that you are editing. Ready? You should see a volume sliding scale. You can make it louder or softer or completely take the sound off. But what's really cool is the sound wave in the middle. It will let you go through your clip and decide which part you want the sound down. Maybe if you're doing a voiceover, or whenever you're finished talking and you want the music to go back up, you can edit it depending on your clip. So that's really cool, and here is an example of that. Today we're using food coloring to make rainbow cupcakes by mixing the primary colors into secondary colors. Another thing you can do with the clip volume is split the audio from the video clip. That is Something I haven't done yet. I'm still learning that, but that's there too. Add sound effects or music to your video clip. You just press music and you can click sound effects. They have lots on here. You can position it by clicking on this box up here and dragging it where you want it to go. You can also add a music track. They have some for you. There's tons of them and it takes forever to choose which one you want. Or you can go, if you have music on your phone or through iTunes or whatever, you can use those. I usually just do the intro to the song, fading in and fading out and stuff like that. What you can do with the track is trim it to decide where you want it to begin and where you want it to stop. So you click on it and you hit trim, and you can decide, which part you want it to stop at. You want it to fade in and out, things like that. One thing I use the most is text. When you add text, it's pretty self-explanatory. You type what you need and pick the color. My cat's name is Sissy. Pick the color, and then down here at the bottom are different effects that you can use to really make it stand out. There's like a glow and an outline, a box, all of that good stuff. To move your text, you want to just click the box at the top and move it to where you need it, just like the sound and the music. You can also decide how long your text is going to stay on the screen by clicking the little watch at the bottom and dragging to see how long you want it to stay. You can also pin it to something. So if you click this little square with the pin in it, you can decide to pin your words to a certain thing, and they move with that object that you pinned it to. To do a voiceover, you click voice and then you click the red circle to start recording. If you like it, keep it. If you don't like it, keep doing it until you have something that you want to work with. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps some of you. And I am definitely not perfect, but the more that you play with it, the more comfortable you're going to be with it. Enjoy!